Hello, everyone. My name is Sayam Pathak. You're watching Cube Simplify, and today we are here live doing the Q&A. I love doing live Q&As, but yes, due to time, it becomes difficult at times. But yeah, here we are doing the live Q&A about the Kubernetes course. So, hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream, and welcome to Cube Simplify. Please let me know where you are joining in from, and hi to all the people who are there on the screen. Happy to have you here. And yes, I know why you're here, apart from the Q&A for the live giveaway of the CNCF certification vouchers. I am very thankful to Wazomedge and Billy Fu for this opportunity. I mean, they keep coming up with new and new ways of doing it, and I love it when we are able to do something back to the community, giving back to the community. By the way, by giving back, one of the things that we did as Cube Simplify in the past few weeks is the Kubernetes course. So Kubernetes course has crossed 20K views. I haven't checked the latest numbers yet, but let me bring everyone to the screen. Actually, there is a live screen ticker which should come. Hopefully, the live comments should keep coming in now. Yes, that's working. So let me share the screen and show you some stuff. This one. The brand new video on Cube Simplify is out on Cairo. So Cairo is a new AI IDE by Amazon. You can go to cairo.dev. This is in preview. You can join the waitlist. I have the access. So this is the first time I am talking about an AI IDE and how it can impact your workflows. So definitely go, like and share this video in the network. That would be helpful. Anyways, I'm just putting out the link in the chat. Zoom meeting? No, there is no Zoom meeting. It's on. This is going on LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. So all three platforms it is going on, and I use StreamYard, so it is giving me the numbers right now, like where people are joining in from. I get the numbers of just numbers in a gist, and how it is going on. But yeah, this is the IDE, and if I go back to Cube Simplify, and we see the latest numbers are 21K. Yes, so the Kubernetes course 2025 is having, oh wow, interestingly, okay, let me show you something. Uh, New tab. So this is the game. I mean, this is the application that is deployed in the Kubernetes course. So you can see there are three applications right now. There is Play Snake, there is Play Tic Tac Toe, there is Play Rock Paper Scissors. That's the kind of application, and it goes on. What I did with Cairo is I extended this application. So you will understand it beautifully once you, check out this Kubernetes course. So what I did is, after logging in, so there is a new game that got added. So you cannot see that in the bottom section. But yeah, instead of 4, now there are 5 games, and the 5th game that is added by Cairo is the memory card game. That's how powerful it is. Like I have it kind of running here, ls dot slash. I think I don't have Docker running. Let me first run Docker. I mean, I know it's a Q&A session, but I just wanted to tell you, what I did. Because this is the latest video that went out. You will get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Docker is up and running. Start. It should open up a browser pretty soon. Okay. Give it some time. Meanwhile, yeah, share where you're joining in from, and if you have any Q&A regarding the certificate exams, please start dropping in your questions. I'll start taking them one by one, and then obviously after that we'll do the live giveaway. And you can already see on the screen, by the way. Oh, you're not able to see the IDE. Oh, yes, that is true. That is true. You're not able to see the IDE. Let me share screen once again. Okay, share screen. Anyways, it's fine. Like, I don't want to share the entire screen, but it's fine for some time. That's the IDE. Okay, so I did /start.sh. I ran the script, and this is the script. So instead of 3, as you can see here, instead of 3, now it is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play memory is the latest game. This entire feature, this entire game was added by this AI IDE. I have explained everything what I did in this particular video. So you go check out the Cairo AI IDE. Very interesting. This is the first time I have, got the AI IDE, like worked with, created a video on AI IDE. Like very interesting. You should definitely check this out if you get the opportunity. At least join the waitlist. It's pretty cool. Now let me unshare and reshare only the window which is there. Yes. So yeah, wheel of names, that's the spin. We'll come back to this later, and we'll see we have around 278 entries. So you can see there are so many entries which are there. And I'll also do the shuffle. We'll remove the duplicates, and we'll do everything. Okay. So that's the free voucher. By the way, if any person hasn't yet submitted the form, feel free to do that. You still have time, because you can do that till the end of the video. Awesome. So Kubernetes Course 2025, the Q&A is open. Please share your questions. Yes, some of you who cannot wait for the giveaway, you have to wait for a little bit of time. Sorry for that. And I'm so happy that you're joining in. I'm just looking at the comments if there's any questions up. No. There are no questions. And let me pin some of the comments. This one. Star. I think Star would pin it. Yes, so this is the starred message. Cool. Do you also teach offline? No, I don't teach offline. By the way, so the AI IDE hype is amazing, and you should try out some of the cool stuff that is happening. Not everything. On the side of Kubernetes certification. So Kubernetes certification CKA and CKS. By the way, the CKA and CKS books are free now, so you can buy those books free of cost. It is not updated as per the latest course, but it is still a very good solid, 80% of the course is still there. Sorry, let me do CKS book, this one. Both these books are free of cost, and I'll update the syllabus soon. And also it'll be free. The new syllabus updates are here. So if you go to my channel, if you go to playlist, you will find a CKS playlist, hopefully this one. So view, I just want to view this. Yeah, view full playlist. There you go. That's the playlist for CKA. The new topics that it has is, I think it covers about Falco security, SBOM, runtime class, Cube bench in detail. Yeah, Trivia and Bomb. Bomb is a new one. Audit logging is same. Trivia I explained in depth, and Falco is explained in depth according to the latest exam. Runtime class as well, and then I'll add a few more features. Gateway API, why not? Like, just go here. I have explained Gateway API and how to use that. There you go. There you have a section on Gateway API. Just learn about that end-to-end example on Gateway API. And I use K Gateway for that. Can you please suggest a few? So CNCF best talks is basically, you can go on the CNCF YouTube channel and go to the past KubeCons, and you'll be able to get good talks. By the way, who is coming to KubeCon India? I'll be there. Would love to meet you in person. Yeah, keep the questions coming. Like, there are 100 plus people, I think, which is good. Prerequisites, yes, prerequisites are there. You need to know Linux operating system, basic networking, and you will be needing Docker. I have explained, so I have a section here where I explain the history of computing. I have tried to go from the apps to the servers to operating system, and I have shown this architecture of what is a VM, what is a container, how it works, and also about some of the history of Kubernetes. But yeah, the prerequisites are basically, you should be knowing some bits about containers, Kubernetes, and stuff. And apart from that, then you are good. You create a self-managed Kubernetes cluster on Exascale. You create SKS cluster. You can use any Kubernetes cluster. Then you start learning about the concepts. These sections are pretty in depth, so you can see the depth over here, and especially the container runtime interface, CNI. CNI is a big section. Like, everyone requested for CNI. CNI should be good. CNI should have demos, how it works, how the Ethernet pair works. It is end to end with the help of all the neat examples and diagrams. So you learn. And then you have very neat examples of kube proxy. What is kube proxy? What are IP tables? What is NF tables? What is IPVS, and then how to use this. What are the commands that you use? What is chaining? How to go into a particular chain using NAT. So everything is there in depth. And then core DNS. What is core DNS? How to work with core DNS. This one, yeah, this one is core DNS. So yeah, how core DNS works, how it fetches, what is the configuration for core DNS, and the example. So everything is there. I mean, it's with examples. Then you have RBAC, extensive section on RBAC. Then pods. What are pods? All the details about pods. What is init containers, probes, whatnot. So many things are there. Yeah. Init containers, sidecar containers, the latest features, sidecar patterns. What are they? Scheduler in depth. What is a scheduler? How it works? All the fancy examples of the schedulers. You can see that over here. Taints, tolerations, affinity, node affinity. Yeah, this one I think. Yep, affinity, node affinity required during scheduling, ignore during execution. So everything is there. And then you also have topology constraints, max queue, topology key, when unsatisfiable, label selector. Yeah, topology constraints is there with the examples. It's an in-depth course. Then you come to the deployment sections. What are deployments? RBAC, canary deployments. So you can see over here, canary deployments, blue-green deployments, all the sorts of deployments are there, how it works, config maps and secrets. So that is something which is also there in depth. Then you have daemon set, then you have services. Wow, services section is amazing. So I explain about all the services. So you have cluster IP with example, load port with example, load balancer with example, headless service with stateful set, external name service with stateful set, a complete end-to-end example. What is a stateful set and full example of that as well. And then you have services continued. In that you have let me show this. Yeah, so you can see how the services would work. Cluster IP, headless, external name. In the external name, there is also one interesting thing: external DNS. Even that is there, and I show you exactly how it works, how to do that. I mean, pretty fancy examples. And then obviously cloud native Postgres SQL, now starting to deploy stuff in production. So deploying the application, Kubernetes volumes in detail. So all about Kubernetes volumes. So you can see over here, storage class, ephemeral storage, remote storage, CSI. Yeah, there is a complete section on CSI as well over here. CRI, CSI. You can see CSI over here. And CRI is somewhere here. Yeah, CRI is here. CRI, CNI, CSI, all the stuff is there. Then you have gateway API. So that's your gateway API. What is it? How it works? Final demo, coming the pieces together, and then you get this particular application in place. That's about the Kubernetes course that I created. It has got 21K, almost 22K views, which is pretty good. Go check out. A lot of people are learning from it. Probably you should be learning as well. I think this is the first and only course right now on Kubernetes 1.33 version. It covers some of the advanced features, some of the advanced concepts of the latest Kubernetes versions. All these things are there. And then you have, I keep on updating new videos, which are already coming there. My system is hanging a bit, so I'll just run the stop script. Stop. All right. And I'll quit Docker desktop. So it should come down. And yeah, those who are coming to KubeCon, that would be good. The results will be announced by the end of the stream, so you have to be live. So only the people who are live will be considered as the winners. If you are not live and you cannot say that within 10 seconds window, probably we'll move on to the next one. Okay, there are some questions. Any prerequisites, Kates, crash to back off, any ways to debug? Why not? Like kubectl get pods, kubectl describe pods, kubectl get pods -o YAML, check the status, kubectl logs -f previous. And then you can sometimes also attach the ephemeral pod to debug the container as well at a specific point in time. Any service mesh video? I think there should be. I mean, you need to kind of go to the channel like I am doing, search service mesh. I don't think I have a course on Istio kind of thing, but I do have open service mesh. I do have Linkerd service mesh. Oh yeah, we have a service mesh workshop. Yes, we have a service mesh workshop by Lee. You might be knowing Lee. He's in CNCF ecosystem for a long time. And then Copa is there. But yeah, these are the ones on the service mesh as of now. Oh yeah, Linkerd deep dive as well. So we have Linkerd deep dive video as well. I mean, there are tons of things. So you need to kind of just search just like I did. I also forget how much stuff is there. 354 videos. So it's pretty much cool. Many people say DevOps is not for freshers. So listen to the people who are saying it is for freshers. Simple as that. I mean, see, I always say this thing. I kind of repeat over here as well. There are jobs. There are people lacking skills. So, when you say DevOps is not for freshers, probably because you want to work on the production systems, which is very hard to give to the freshers. So people kind of go in early as interns, they grind, they learn, and then they become the next folks over there. I mean, they kind of go to the next level in that field. Internships should be there. Kubernetes 1833, 1.33. There you go. Kubernetes 1.33. You should be having. There you go. The blog is there. Yeah, that there should be. This should be the same one. What do you need to know? Sending the link. Hello, I'm good. Oh, so just letting you know. Oh, what happened? Just letting you know, there is one very interesting question. Now I can just stop share screen as well. I'll share it back later. Cube Simplify Ambassador Program, one of the best programs that I love, that I nurtured. Cube Simplify, the past Cube Simplify ambassadors, take any. They are doing so good in life. I'm so happy that I got connected to a lot of amazing people in the Cube Simplify Ambassador Program. If any one of you is watching out there, shout out to you. All the people have been great in the Cube Simplify Ambassador Program. They are doing amazing in their careers. Unfortunately, they were massive applications. So I stopped the program. We don't have the bandwidth to run the ambassador program. So it's not running anymore. There's no ambassador program as of now. Why is ingress replaced by gateway API? There are a lot of things in gateway API. It's a very structured and layered approach that is followed in the gateway API. Instead of one single file, it gives programmers or the developers the access to create only the gateways, and rest of the things are done by infrastructure operators. So it has bifurcated the roles, like it is done on the role basis. And then there are a lot of things that gateway API itself can do. And also it is very good in the AI ecosystem, agentic AI, MCP. I would just say, just go look at K Gateway. By the way, if you want to learn K Gateway, there is a vCluster Friday stream where I'll be going with the maintainers live on K Gateway this Friday. How can I upskill as a DevOps engineer in the current AI market? That's a very good question. So, see, AI is not only for you, like not only for the DevOps engineer, but for everyone out there, for all the people. Let me just connect this to the battery as well. So AI is not for one specific domain. It is entering all the domains, from content creation to marketing to sales to developer ecosystem to softwares, agents, IDEs, SREs, AI SREs, agentic SREs, automatic SREs. So everything is becoming. Okay, interesting. Suddenly my phone's camera has stopped working. I don't know why. That is interesting. Anyways, we'll use the SD camera till then. No worries. The quality might not be that great because it might not be clean. Because this is now the phone's, not the phone's camera, but the regular camera. Anyways, I hope you're still able to see me, hear me well. We'll just try one more time. Okay, it's back. So yeah, as a DevOps engineer, you need to embrace AI in your workflows. For example, there are a lot of great projects like Homes GPT, Kates GPT, how to use those AI projects in your ecosystem, and then the debugging. So how to debug that, try to understand what are SRE agents, how people are building them, how they are useful for you. There is a kubectl AI, like people are creating new and new projects with respect to AI to help debug faster. There are, by the way, there is also a video on kubectl AI on kubesimplify. There are also tools and especially in the DevOps engineer ecosystem where you are creating the platforms. I think AI is basically, you need to understand about the basics of LLM, how LLM works, how you can build scalable infrastructure for running LLM workloads, application inferencing, and things like that. Since you are in the infra layer, because DevOps engineers are usually tied to the infrastructure layer. When you are tied to the infrastructure layer, you need to understand how to deploy those AI workloads on Kubernetes with ease, how to run LLM on Kubernetes. What about LLM observability, LLMD, VLLM? What are those? Those are something very specific to Kubernetes and infrastructure platforms. As DevOps engineers, this will help. And then the whole CI/CD ecosystem, how to, Dagger is very interesting project out there, so you can check that out. How to for the AI agents, how to build those GitOps kind of thing. You need to understand that observability for the AI agents. There was a very good keynote, I think, by the CEO of Honeycomb, and how it is being done. So you need to understand that. And then you have, yeah, these are some of the things. Oh, I don't know. There was someone from Chandigarh who is, by the way, I stay in Chandigarh. There is a meetup in Chandigarh on 26th. If anyone is out there in Chandigarh and you can help spread the meetup, that would be good. It's a CNCF Chandigarh meetup, which is happening next Saturday at Infosys. I'll share the link in 1 second. There you go. Share it with your friends, share it in your network. Sharing is caring. You know that. I'm coming for KubeCon. Very good. I'll be coming for KubeCon as well. How does one shift to KATE's domain? I'm telecom professional with a 10x of experience. Amazing. I think telco, 5G, the massive deployments are happening of 5G on KATE's. I'll quickly show you. There is one session. If you open that link that I just sent, there is one session on reimagining telco networks in the cloud native era by Girish. It is actually happening. People are working on that. So if you are in telco, you are in a very, very good position to learn about KATE's and implement this. There is a whole lot of demand in the market. Every 5G company is moving towards, every telco is moving towards Kubernetes deployments. It's a very interesting time to learn Kubernetes roadmap. So there is a roadmap for Kubernetes that I have, a roadmap for DevOps that I created for 2025. Again, everything is there on my channel. I'll just share the link of that as well. There's too much stuff. Where are you? Roadmap. Tell me that. DevOps roadmap. There you go. DevOps roadmap 2025. Pasting the link now. I wish I win the giveaway. All the best. I'm chasing it all. I mean, everybody's chasing it. See, it's not in my hands. It's I mean, a lot of people are saying like, there should be some challenge, there should be something. I think the easiest way for me is how I can do it live and be as transparent as I can with the people who are live and who have submitted the form. Uh, Apart from that, giving tasks, tracking that, I know there are better ways, but I don't have the bandwidth to be honest. So that's the thing. There are two giveaways. Cam off. Yeah, I think now it's on. Okay, Jenny, I think I already helped this. Manage KATE's with AI. Yeah, check out the projects of Homes GPT, HOMES, Homes GPT, KATE's GPT. KATE's GPT video is already there on Kip Simplify. Again, you just have to search on Kip Simplify. There's a lot of stuff on Kip Simplify. Yes, kubectl AI video is there on Kip Simplify. Thank you for watching. Also from Chandigarh. Yeah, I hope you can make it to the next event. It's an Infosys, food is included, a lot of great sessions. Join the community, sign up for the session. KATE's will be replaced by WebAssembly. I haven't seen that. I have been involved in the WebAssembly ecosystem for a long, long time. KATE's will not be replaced by WebAssembly. Please do send me the post. Do check out my WebAssembly course where you will find Kubernetes. Wow. Okay. I am sharing my screen because there's no other option. So I'm again going back. My channel and WebAssembly course. Please watch out the WebAssembly course. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Search the channel. Everything is there on the channel. I mean, there is so dope stuff on the channel that people don't know. I wish people knew. There'll be two giveaways. Where are the links? I'm not getting. Yeah, unfortunately for LinkedIn, the links doesn't go via StreamYard. So that's my StreamYard limitation. I'm working on that. All the links that are shared will be shared in the YouTube description. So if anyone is opening the link, and if you can go to LinkedIn and paste the links, that would be really helpful for me. You may be talking about Docker replacing Wasm. Yeah, Docker and Wasm, there has been a lot of things. Which videos for the advanced? What do you mean by advanced Kubernetes concepts? First, let's explain. I mean, what is the advanced Kubernetes concept? What do you mean by that? The course covers Kubernetes concepts, networking concepts in detail. What advanced more than that? Like, I can show you that. Where were we in the courses? So when you have CNI, what advanced more than this? Like you want to create a network namespace with pair, um, the IP addressing, what stuff. Yeah, I know. Not all of us. I know my maximum audience is from US and then India. I'm from Chandigarh, which is a city inside India. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So if sorry for that if you didn't get what I was trying to say. But yeah, I'll be there at Container Days in Hamburg. Would love to meet you there. I will be most probably at KubeCon NA. Would love to meet you over there. I will be at Dubai GITEX in October. Would love to meet you there. I will be at ACD Sri Lanka. Would love to meet you there. And where else? Yeah, I think those are the ones with immediate plans. And yes, KubeCon Hyderabad is there. I'll be in most probably in Bangalore too for one event and in Delhi as well. Yeah, those are some of the recent ones. Your case playlist in Hindi is very yes. So which is why I created this complete course in English so that everyone is having so that everyone is having the access to the in-depth Kubernetes that I created in Hindi in English as well. Like the one in the Hindi in English as well, they can get. Yeah, there is no light, but I think it's still visible. Should be fine. But yeah, thank you, Priyanka, for watching the Kubernetes Hindi playlist. Yeah, it was live. It was fun. Really had a good time. Could you please explain about the CVO platform? I'm not at CVO anymore, by the way. But yeah, CVO is a cloud platform. You can check that out. You'll get to know. It's just like any other hyperscaler. I mean, the tier, not tier one, tier two, but lower tier with fewer number of services. No, short answer is no. Long answer is basically you check out how WebAssembly works in conjunction with Docker. Basically, WebAssembly can replace, not replace, WebAssembly will be working alongside of Docker. And you have a shim. So you have a containerd shim. So instead of that shim, that will be replaced by the WebAssembly shim with the Wasm Edge or spin or whatever that is. And then you'll be able to run the WebAssembly workloads. And then what else? I have been hearing. Yeah, that is interesting. I one of my friends today only when I was walking the park, I met one of my friends. He was asking the same thing, like I'm opening Google and I'm getting some notifications in some newsletters about Kubernetes 2.0. Um, So Kubernetes 2.0 is hypothetical. Basically, what people are saying is people are it's basically a trending topic. I myself I'm to be honest, I'm writing a blog on Kubernetes 2.0. Why we are writing that? All the folks who have been in the Kubernetes ecosystem, they are writing on the basis of what they think Kubernetes 2.0 should look like. What all things should be there, what all things should be replaced, what all things should be improved, and all that stuff. For example, the one that Denon has mentioned about Kubernetes 2.0 might replace YAML. They are still in just in the hypothetical phase where people are putting in their ideas on how it should look like. There is the keps are not there yet to remove the YAML. So what you have to understand is about only about the keps, Kubernetes enhancement proposals. Um, so that is one thing. And there is also another thing like etcd, like not only relying on etcd, but should be having an interface with Kind where you can have SQLite, Postgres, and any other database that can be replaced as the key value store for your Kubernetes cluster, not only relying on etcd. So there is no truth to it. These are all, but as far as I know, I haven't seen any concrete announcements and stuff from the Kubernetes community or the steering committee or TOC and stuff. These are something which is their speculations that people are trying to take the advantage of the hot trending topic Kubernetes 2.0 and trying to pitch in their blogs, their videos, and what they think Kubernetes 2.0 would look like. That's the kind of thing. Is there a possibility to work with you? Yeah, sure. Like join Cube Simplify. I do a lot of initiatives, keep on going over there. You can always work with me. I'm very, very open. We have a Cube Simplify Discord. So I think cubesimplify.com/Discord is there. Let me see if there is any banner. Cube Simplify Discord. I don't know. Banner. Questions. We can just go to cubesimplify.com/Discord. Or maybe blog.cubesimplify.com/Discord. Yeah, both works. So just sending the link. Join the Discord. I'm pretty active over there and would be happy to help. Kavasm is not a shame. Kavasm is a project to do the heavy lifting for the shims to get installed. So Kavasm is not a shame. Delhi event. Delhi event not now, but it'll be soon published, but it'll be in August end. What contributions Dipankar did? Dipankar did a lot of contributions. Dipankar has been. We keep on chatting. He actually. So I had a vision of KSCTL. So if you just go to ksctl.com, that is being maintained by Dipankar, and he has been doing a lot of fantastic stuff. So you should be. I mean, those are the kind of people that have been attached to Cube Simplify, and they have not only done for Cube Simplify, but it has helped them grow. Like Dipankar, because he has worked a lot in the Cube Simplify ecosystem and then created this project. My vision was there. We discussed a lot of roadmap stuff, features, everything. We still keep talking, and but he is the co-contributor of the KSCDL project. That's what I did. So we also built one of the other projects called Build Safe, where Rakshit um, and a couple of others were involved building the SBOM, kind of ecosystem. See, ideas are there. There are people who have time, then they keep on building these stuff. And then I am always happy to interact with a lot of people. I want to build a lot of stuff with AI. See, the thing is, right now, I don't have the funding to, kind of start something on my own. The thing is, we want to build something maybe battle tested by the community, and it raises some funds. I don't know what happens, but right now there's nothing like that. So it's pretty, Divya's one. Yes, there is an event. There's I think AWS Community Days is coming up in Pune, and there are Golang and Kubernetes events in Pune as well that you should check out. You should check out CNCF community.cncf.io, community.cncf.io, and you should be going to each city, and there are a lot of events that keep going on. CNI is there, so CNI is covered. Virtualized GPUs, not virtualized GPUs. So there are a lot of technologies um, for its early stages. Okay, so in GPU, what the most critical factor about the slicing. So whether you take DRA, whether you take the DRANet, DRA net by Google that they did. So um, time slicing the GPUs, and then providing those slices. So basically, what happens when you write a OLAMA file or whatever file that is VLLM stuff, you say GPU one. When you say GPU one, if you don't have the time slicing and the MIG sharing and all that stuff enabled, GPU sharing enabled, the whole GPU gets attached. If you have time slice, for example, if you took A100 from GKE automatically you can define how many slices you want to do. It's an NVIDIA tech. It's there in the new chips, not in the older chips. It's kind of not very easy to do the time slicing right now. So what you do is you kind of divide the GPUs into layers. In the YAML, you specify that you need one. It ideally it attaches to the time slice, but to the application it would look like that it has given you the one GPU. So you can do much more on single GPU if that particular workload is not working too much. To get interview calls, is it important to pass? Good question. For freshers, it might help. Guarantee, no. For some organizations, getting certifications to get shortlisted can be one of the criteria when you have 1,000 applicants for maybe a single post. Observability, very interesting. Observability is definitely something that uh, is evolving a lot, specifically the open telemetry ecosystem. So open telemetry, which is the second highest rated project, like second highest committed project in the CNCF ecosystem. It is developing a lot more interest. Everyone is asking for the OTel integrations because it makes everything vendor neutral. Whether it's Datadog, whether it's New Relic, their customers are asking for it. Whether it's open source tooling, they have support for open telemetry, they have the agents, everything is there. So the open telemetry stuff is really cool. You should check that out. Then there are some of the projects, like my keynote is also on observability. So that should be something where I explain how the simple architectures doesn't solve the problem yet at scale, and how some of the interesting architectures where you have HA Prometheus, you have intelligent tracing, you have profiling in place, you have eBPF technology in place, how these can help in the future things. And then comes AI, how you can have AI on top of that for AI debugging and AI SRE that can take correlate. The correlation part is the most difficult part. So if the more better the correlation is, the more better data that will go into the LLMs, the more better output results of the debugging scenarios you will get. And what else is there? Is there any event? See again, go to community. I'll write here example banners. I think, by the way, this was the Hindi one. Sorry for that. Okay, not this. How to edit? Edit community cncf.io. I think that's the one. But let me double check. Community.cncf.io. Yes. So community.cncf.io. Just go there and you will get what is needed. Yes, you need to have good knowledge of containers in order to learn Kubernetes better, because Kubernetes is a container orchestration. Obviously, if you don't know about containers, then it is kind of difficult to understand what Kubernetes does, why it is helpful in the first place. So that comes for Docker. If you want to understand Docker, you need to understand processes, you need to understand Linux processes, you need to understand about operating system and Linux and some basic networking. That's why in my DevOps roadmap, I always suggest you should know the fundamentals of networking, you should know the fundamentals of operating system and Linux, and then you move on to containers, where you understand what the container technology, OCI, CRI, all that stuff, and then Docker you can learn because that provides you the CLI and you can do Docker desktop and stuff. And then you go to the next stuff, which is Kubernetes. There is a Linux and Docker workshop on Kube Simplify, which is 6 hour long. That can be your first step. That is from scratch. Linux and Docker workshop. Again, please go to Kube Simplify YouTube channel. You'll be able to find everything that you need to learn and scale up in Kubernetes ecosystem. They are by the professional, by the best in the ecosystem. And then I also have the workshops and course. Join Cube Simplify Discord. Thank you. No, that's not the case. Like, I mean, it's the enterprises, they have their own ecosystem, but people know that now the open source tooling is pretty dope. So the open source solutions will win. And also, NVIDIA is doing a lot of great effort in that space on providing with a better infrastructure. Soon we'll be hearing a lot of stuff from NVIDIA coming out as well for the Kubernetes. For example, Run AI. They acquired Run AI. You should definitely check out what Run AI does. Kai Scheduler is also the open source project by um, NVIDIA. So you should also check out what Kai Scheduler does. So it's not only NVIDIA that's playing the game in the AI Kubernetes ecosystem. A lot of good crazy stuff is happening. By the way, check out the CNAI. CNAI landscape. So landscape.cncf.io group CNAI. I can just put the link. A lot of videos on containers, Kubernetes security. There is a very good course on Kubernetes security and Kube Simplify. Let me see if I can show you that. Come on, folks. Please search what is there on Kubernetes security workshop. 90K views, 2.5 hours. 1.7 million views. My Kubernetes workshop 4 years ago, three years ago, and my new Kubernetes course is much better because it has been done in a more structured way and covers much more than this course. Linux and Docker 6 hour 30-minute workshop, 240K views. These are the great ones out there. GitOps workshop, and the people are amazing. He's ex Linux Academy instructor. He's the founder of CodeFresh. He is a security researcher in the space. He is the maintainer of Litmus project. He is again founder of Raw Code Academy, my very good friend. Kubernetes troubleshooting. Many people don't know. Service Mesh Workshop. Lee, who is the creator of Meshery. Observability Workshop, 50K. That has been there. 3 hours, 28 minutes. Talks about Thanos. Talks about a lot of great stuff. Confidential computing. No one even knows that this exists. Courses, DevOps project end to end. This is the production DevOps project which is there. Terraform course. People say there is no beginner content. This is super beginner friendly. Open Tofu course by the founder of Metal. What was that? Sorry, I forgot the name. By Corey. Yes, he was one of the first ones to get involved as the maintainers of Open Tofu. Dagger. You know who this guy is? This guy is Solomon Hykes, who is the founder of Docker itself. So building AI agents, MCP course. All you need to learn about MCP. Came 3 months ago. MCP is just hyped right now. This came 3 months ago. A lot of stuff. So please watch Cube Simplify. Cajun project is CNCF. I think yes. All right, the light is here. What else is there? Will AI organizations increasingly rely on AI for roles in the cloud native and the DevOps field? See, the thing is, the more you are able to be productive in your specific streams, and the more you are able to enhance your workflows, the work that you are doing, whether you're building pipelines, whether you're doing whatever that is using AI, the more secure you are. I would say that. But do watch out Cairo. Cairo is very interesting. And I mean, it is able to do a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff on its own. And then you have, okay, let me also side by side go to uh, wheel of spin. So I am closing the responses. We have 318 responses, and I am stopping the responses. And I'm taking that to the sheets now. Transparent process, copying the names, putting them in the wheel. And first, we are removing the duplicates. Remove duplicates. And submit. So in total, a lot of entries have been there. There are 269 entries which have been present. Oh, I need to filter out something. Just give me a second. Filter, filter, filter that. And the first one. Perfect. Take these, Control C. Submit. 261. That's the final number. 261. All right. I'm ready. Are you ready, folks, for the winning people? And let me bring that to the stage. So we have 260 people, and show some excitement. You are live, and I think there are less people live. Like you are only 100, I believe, maximum. From different platforms. Maybe, yeah, I think the number is 200. Oh, yeah, I'm not able to see how many people are there on LinkedIn. So, yeah, there may be more. I think maybe 200 kind of. But 200 folks, still you have a lot of, you're not 200, maybe 100 plus. You have a lot of chance to win. I just take one question. I just take one question. Just wait for some time, maybe this month. There is a AWS course coming in by Sandeep Das on Cube Simplify. Just this month. All right. So the excitement is here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we'll be giving away 2 certification vouchers. I really, really hope the best person wins who really wants to do the certification. So I'll also do shuffle, 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 and spin. Let's see. Najib Khan, are you there? If you are there, you need to speak up in the chat right now, else we'll do the spin again. I'll wait for 10 seconds. The people in the chat are praying. "Hey, it's not there. Let's go. Let's do another round." I'm happy. I would want people to win who are there live. That's the thing. You people have a lot and lot of chance. Over. Going on. Going twice. Going thrice. Spin again. Let's do it. Spinning again. There should be some music in the background as well. Kushal Patsala. Kushal, you are there. LinkedIn is a few seconds behind. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'll take a note of that. Is Tushal here? Tushal, LinkedIn, YouTube, anywhere? Are you here? You can say hi, hello. I don't think anybody is there. Tushal, I'll just wait for another 5, 6 seconds. 10 seconds over. Okay. The next, let's do it. Ayush Bisht. Ayush Bisht. I see some Ayush. Are you the Ayush or the Ayush is some different Ayush? So if you are the Ayush, you need to DM me on LinkedIn so that I can just check. Um, I saw his message. Yeah, I'm the one. Okay, that's interesting, Ayush. Congratulations if you are there. If you can just DM me on LinkedIn or Twitter right now, I can just check it so that I know it's you. And I hope you have the full name written over here. Just DM me on LinkedIn or X and let me know where you are DMing me. I am just waiting for your reply, Ayush. And please let me know where you are kind of DMing me. I see you have sent me a friend request, which is good. Amazing, amazing, Ayush. Ayush, the only thing that I would request you to do is that please study this sincerely and make the best use of this certification and do the certification in time. That would be really really helpful for us because that would be good. Yeah, that would be good. Congratulations, Ayush, on winning the voucher. Let's go to the next one. I feel excited. Like, I don't know why I am feeling excited for this. That is interesting. Jasmeet Singh. Is Jasmeet Singh online? I don't know. Jasmeet Singh, are you online? Are you there? Very excited to see. I really love to see the Ento. Yeah, I got a message from Ayush that he won the giveaway. Congratulations, Ayush. Huge congratulations. Jasmeet Singh is not there. Okay, okay. Okay, you get one more chance. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm excited. I see a lot of enthusiasm in the comments. I hope the people who are commenting wins. Go, go, go. Rajesh Kumar. See, Ayush commented he wins, right? So you keep commenting. Rajesh Kumar, are you there? Rajesh Kumar. Rajesh Kumar, are you there? Are you there? Are you there? Wow, this is so cool. Are you there, Rajesh Kumar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? No, I don't think so. All right, all right, all right. You get one more chance. Yes, Ayush, I got your message. Congratulations. And wow, what a timing. You said spin again and you won. Who else? Girish. Is Girish there? Girish Hiranandani is there? Yes, no. Girish Hiranandani, are you there or not? I don't know. No, yes, no, yes, no. I mean, there's a 10-second delay which happens. Pen, okay. Oh, yeah, I'll remove the name. Yes, you're right. Last, I hope someone wins from the stream right now. I mean, you have to. Pragya Bansal. Is Pragya Bansal over here? Pragya, are you there? Yes, Naeem. So the thing is, these are very expensive vouchers. They're hundreds of dollars, and it's something that is difficult to get. Shuffle. No, Pragya Bansal is also not there. Removed. Shuffle. Let's go. Let's go. I hope someone wins pretty fast. Else, I'll be sitting here whole night. Srinath, are you there? Srinath, please be there. Please say yes. Srinath, are you there? No, I don't think so. Spinning the wheel again, spin again, spin again. See, you are less people. I told you. There are a lot of submissions on the Google form, but I'm sure that there are less people live. That's the whole fun. I eliminated the competition already. Yashaswini, are you there? Yashaswini. It's delay in LinkedIn. Okay, I'll wait. So Yog, please let me know if you saw Yashaswini name and I can spin again. Spin again, okay? Remove, spin again. Come on, come on, come on. Akshay SA. Akshay SA. Prithvi. They see the thing is every name is there, so you have to trust me on that. Because I have taken the list directly from here. I can't show you the Excel, so you can see this the responses sheet. You can already see 256 name. I don't have the bandwidth to type the 256 names. Akshay SA, are you there? No, Akshay. Okay, remove, spin. Oh, Akshay is there. I got a message from Akshay. So I'll have to cancel this. Akshay, are you the same Akshay? Are you Akshay SA? You need to confirm me some details. DM me, and you need to send me the message right now so that I can verify that it's you. Let me stop the screen share. I can just find you. Control F, Akshay SA. Yes, You can tell me your email or you can tell me your number because I already have that on the Google form. So Akshay, please DM me on LinkedIn right now, so that I can verify that it's you, Akshay SA. You need to send me your email ID or on X platform as well. That works. You can DM me on X or you can DM me on um, LinkedIn right now, please, and tell me your email ID so that I can verify you. Well, I'm just waiting for that. Akshay, can you please do that quickly? I don't see any DM on my X or LinkedIn yet. Yeah, I understand. Everyone wants to win. I want you to win as well. Let us wait for some time. I see a friend request coming in on X, but it's not from Akshay. So I'm just waiting in. If he responds on any of the platforms, give him a minute. If he's not that Akshay and if he's not able to tell the email ID, then obviously we'll do another spin. That is fine. Akshay, can you just let me know in the comments that are you sending me the message? Like, are you sending me the message anywhere? Let him make LinkedIn accounts. He can make a LinkedIn account, guys, but he won't know the email. So the Google form that is being submitted has the email and a mobile number. He has to verify both of them. Then only it will happen, right? So then obviously, if he knows the mobile number and if he knows whatever that is, email, then that's the same person. That's the best way to verify. And luckily, Akshay has given both mobile number and email ID. So if he's not telling, I don't know. Akshay, are you? I think this is the Akshay essay. Yes, Akshay essay is the person who won. Give him some time. Yes, exactly. Let's give him some time. He might be trying to find out my LinkedIn or I'm refreshing my profiles. I'm refreshing my X. I don't see any new message over here. I'm also refreshing home. Okay, I got some notification. Let me see. No, not yet. Akshay, you can Slack me. I'm there on CNCF Slack. I'm also on Kubernetes Slack. You can Slack me on any platform as well, or you can email me. But something you have to do, and I can't wait for a lot of time, to be honest. So, Akshay, are you messaging me? Akshay, that's the point. If you're not messaging me in the next At least you need to message me and give me confirmation that you are messaging me, you are trying to message me on LinkedIn or X. So Akshay, if you are messaging me on LinkedIn or X, you need to message me right now. All right, I think that is then a different Akshay, because I haven't seen any response. Yeah, exactly. Message here. So I don't know why he's not messaging over here. Sorry, I'm not that guy. Okay, then please, why did you say you are that guy? Let's not do that. I have the email IDs to for verification. You have to do the verification. All right, another chance. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Spin the wheel. Let's go. Let's go. Amit Mishra, are you there? Amit Mishra, are you there? No. Spin again. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I mean, he thought it would be easy win, but you have to authenticate. I have the email IDs. You can't just forge a email ID. All right, not there. Remove from the list. Spin again. Oh wow, it's 10:12. I didn't realize that. Ashish Desai. Ashish Desai, are you there? Swaraj, please go to my YouTube channel and look out for DevOps Roadmap 2025. All names are getting selected with A, is it? No, not like that. J, R, G, P, S, Y, N, not like that. T, that's not the case. And I'll shuffle again. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's do it. Ayushman Mishra. Ayushman Mishra, are you there? It's like a lambda function. Yeah, 15-second timeout. Yeah, I should have now. Next time I'll. So yeah, let's do it. We'll do the something interesting next time if we get. Hey, no, it's not like that. Ayushman Mishra, I don't think you are there. But yeah, it's not like that. That it's only from A, it's from others. Ayush Mishra, are you there? No, yes. My name is not there in the list. I don't know. If you fill the form, then it's there in the list. If not, then it's not. Let's go. Okay. Venkat Satya. Sitaram. Venkat Satya, are you there? Venkat, are you there? Venkat, hi. Google form responses is closed. Sorry for that. That was the Google form. The response is now closed. The response is closed. Out of that 318, there were a lot of duplicates that were removed. So you can see over there, remove duplicates. I have removed that. The remaining ones have been added with 200 some entries, and then 15 are already gone. Not here. Okay, spin again. Wow, you people are so lucky. I think there is less people. I hope by tonight I'll be able to get someone's name. G Naga, Sai, Varun. No, not here. See, not from A again. Spin again. Okay, let's go. But the time is getting shorter now. So you just have to, after it, you have to say that I am here. I don't know. Sanjay Naikwadi. Sanjay, are you there? Please say yes. Sanjay, no, yes, no. Spin, got it. Spin, spin, spin. Nikhil Kumar. Nikhil Kumar, are you there? Nikhil, I saw one Nikhil somewhere. Somewhere there was Nikhil. I don't know. Nikhil Kumar. Nikhil Kumar, are you there? No. Okay. Remove. Should I give you a should I give the people who are live a challenge? Maybe. Let me think. I'll give you a challenge now. Okay. So whosoever comments after this, Salim, are you there? No. Yes. Salim. Yes. No. No. Okay. So what we are going to do? Okay. Let's make things more interesting. I am so the thing is you have to be very, you have to trust me over here. Okay, no need to trust me. I'll actually show you. So the comment, how they are coming in, I'll let me show you one thing. Stop share, screen share, entire screen, this one. So this is my window, okay? This is my StreamYard window, and I'll just remove the comments from here, from the main screen. These are the comments. So I'll ask a question. I'll ask a question, and what will happen is I don't care from which platform you're applying. So, and I maybe LinkedIn is behind, not behind, I don't know. So you have all these comments that are coming in. Whose comments after my question, whose comments comes first here in this particular window, only in this particular window. Please don't mention that I was the first one on YouTube, it didn't pick. I don't know. That's your luck. So that will be luck. So whosoever's comment comes first here after me asking my questions with the right solution will be the winner. So let me stop sharing. Oh, wow, this stream is going crazy. This stream is going crazy. Okay. Okay. It's not about spam. I mean, nothing will happen. Like even if you spam, I'll be able to check the first one. I might give you a hard question. Let me see. You can open your chat GPTs and stuff. That should be fine as well. But I might not even ask you Kubernetes related question. I might ask you Cube Simplify related question, which chat GPT might not know. So if you are a subscriber for a long time, you have even more chance. Okay. Very simple question. Very simple question. I've already told you the answer for that. Very simple question. Let's go. No technical question. This is not a technical question. Okay, this is not a technical question. Or you want me to ask a technical question? I don't know. I'm confused now, and I'm more excited than you. Very simple question related to Cube Simplify. You just have to tell me the latest video topic that I posted just before the stream. The latest video that I posted before the stream, I did mention that latest video. Cairo, I got the video. Devanshu Rastogi, you are the winner. I'll show you why. So I'll show you and keep it absolutely transparent. I'll keep it absolutely transparent. So this is my screen. You can see the first comment to win is Cairo, and it's by Devanshu Rastogi. So congratulations, Devanshu Rastogi. You need to DM me on LinkedIn and DM me on X and tell me your email ID, and we'll connect over there. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Congratulations to, I think it was Ayush, the first winner that was there. And Devanshu Rastogi, congrats to you as well. Ayush and Devansh, congratulations. And thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to Milifu and Vazamej for bringing these giveaways. We'll also do more giveaways as well in the future. So thank you so much for tuning in, and keep watching Cube Simplify. Keep showing your love for Cube Simplify, and we'll keep doing that. By the way, there was a use for registration, Ram Prasad, because all the people who are there, they are already registered on the Google form. So yeah, keep the spirits high. Like it's a positive spirit. I mean, there were no vouchers out there. Out of 1,002 people, at least got them vouchers. So I mean, just be happy. Thank you all, and see you in the next video or stream.